solve cube root. First we are going to see cube table. Cube table. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216, 7 cube is 343, 8 cube is 512, 9 cube is 729, 10 cube is 1000. Okay friends, do you know that the cubes of even number are all even and the cubes of odd number are all odd? See that 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are all odd number and their cubes are also odd. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 are even number and their cubes are also even. Now we are going to see combination of these numbers. For numbers 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 0 has their same unit digits. And the numbers like 2, 3, 7, 8 have the different combinations. 2 is a combination of 8 and 8 is a combination of 2. 3 is a combination of 7 and 7 is a combination of 3. Now I am going to give an example for you without using trick. For example 27, cube root of 27. We use prime factorization method. In 3 table, 9 times 27. For cube root of 27, there are 333. So that we take 1, 3 from this 333, so that cube root of 27 equal to 3. For a simple 2-digit number having a lot of steps, let me do some example sums with using tricks. This method is only used for 4, 5, 6 cubic numbers. First, we see the tricks for 4-digit cubic number. We are having 4 numbers. We split into 2 groups. Last from 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. 2 as one group and 197 as one group. The answer is also having 2 digits. We take the first digit 2. 2 is lies between 1 and 8. We take the smaller ones, that is 1. 1 cube equal to 1, so that we put 1 in first digit. Let me take the second group 197. Now we are going to see the unit digit of 7. What is the unit digit of 7? 3 is a unit digit of 7. 3 is a combination of 7 and 7 is a combination of 3. So that cube root of 2197 equal to 13. Next we take 5-digit cubic number. Cube root 74088. We split into 2 groups from last 3 digits. One group having 2 digits and second group having 3 digits. This answer also having 2 digits. First digit last digit. First we see the first group. In cubic table, where is 74? There is no 74 in cube table. 74 lies between 64 and 125. 125 crossed 74. So we take the smaller number 64. 4 cube equal to 64. First digit 4. Next we take the second group. Second group is 3 digit. 8 is a unit digit. Search where is 8? Here is 8. 2 cube equal to 8. So that 2 is a combination of 8 and 8 is a combination of 2. So cube root of 74088 equal to 42. Next we take 6 digit cubic number. We separate into 2 groups. We divide
2 parts.
last 3 digit. It has 2 digit in answer. First digit and last digit. We take first group, which is 3 digit. 274. Where is 274? 274 lies between 216 and 343. So 343 crossed 274. So we take smaller digit 216. 6 cube equal to 216. Next we take second digit 6. In second group the unit digit is 5. So the combination of 5 is 5. So the last digit is 5. So therefore cube of 274,625 equal to 65. Thank you friends. I will meet you in next interesting video.